Cell cycle. Cell cycle consists of two phases. One is called as interphase and second one is called as mitotic phase. If we see in this diagram, there are two phases. One phase is called as mitotic phase, while the second phase is called as interphase. So this is the interphase. Interphase consists of three phases: G1 phase, S phase, and G2 phase. During the G1 phase, there is a growth and normal metabolic roles of the cell, while in case of S phase, there is DNA replication, also the synthesis of the genetic material, and during the G2 phase, there is a growth and preparation of the cell for the mitosis. So there are two phases of the cell cycle. If we see in detail the mitotic phase consists of 4 to 5 steps. Those steps, they are called as prophase, then prometaphase, then metaphase, then anaphase, and telophase. At the end of these phases, a single cell, as a process of cytokinesis, converts from one cell into two cells. So we can say that cell cycle consists of two steps. One is interphase, where cell gets the nutrients, perform the replication of the DNA or the genetic material, and enlarge so that it become ready for the division. While the second phase is called as mitotic phase. In mitotic phase, a single cell divides into two daughter cells. G0 phase. G0 phase is a step that after the division of the cell from G1 phase can enter into G0 phase. This phenomena is usually seen in most of the vertebrate or the multicellular cells. Interphase. Interphase is a phenomena where a cell gets the nutrients, it enlarges, DNA replicates, in other words chromosomes, they replicate, and cell gets the nutrients and enlarge in size so that it can divide from one cell into two cells. Interphase is also called as resting phase because during the interphase there are no activities of the cell related to the cell division, although there are activities related to the replication of the DNA, but the resting phase is called due to the cell is not going to divide. Interphase lasts for approximately 90% of the cell time. Interphase proceeds in three steps. First step is called as G1 stage, second is called as S stage, and the third is called as G2 stage. Functions of the cell cycle. There are three main functions of the cell cycle: reproduction, growth and development, and tissue renewal.